Logistic regression, which is a popular statistical modeling in public health research for binary outcome. We can assess easily the association between two variables, or we can assess the factors associated with binary outcome. In R, it's very easy to analyze data as well as to prepare the regression table. So we need these packages. Then we can import data. Please download this data from the GitHub link. This is our variable label. This is our data set. Then we can select some specific variable. We use this variable. Outcome variable is disease, infection, main exposure infection, then covariate, age, wealth index, education, height, and gender. So remember, please, for logistic regression or log binomial regression, outcome variable should be 0, 1. Then this is unadjusted odds ratio. So we can prepare the publication ready table easily. So it will take time. This is the unadjusted odds ratio. So if we estimate the adjusted odds ratio, then we have to click here, because we use multiple logistic regression because we use the plus. And the previous model, we use the comma. That means for each covariate, the code gives us the separate model, and this is the adjusted model. So please, this is the adjusted odds ratio. But we need adjusted and adjusted both. So we will merge now. Merge and print it. Zoom out. Yes, this is unadjusted odds ratio, adjusted odds ratio. Using R, we can prepare this table easily. Now, if we share this table with my supervisor, team member, or when we will submit journal, then we'll get feedback after 6 months or 1 year, then we have to make this table, we have to revise this table again and again, which is very time consuming. But if we can write R code, then within a few seconds, the table will be prepared. So I would request, please analyze data using RStudio, and you can watch the full course. You can enroll the course. Already I have shared the link. So if you are interested, then please enroll this course. Thank you.